you dreaming of working in Sweden's healthcare? Join us as we explore how to immigrate and work in Sweden's healthcare system. Hey everyone, my name is Sareh from Visa Library. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are breaking down the process of immigrating and working as a nurse in Sweden. So like this video, subscribe and make sure to watch till the end because we've got a fantastic cheat sheet for you. It's a quick summary of everything we cover in this video. Let's get started. Number 1, requirements to immigrate to Sweden as a nurse. To work as a nurse in Sweden with a foreign degree, you must master Swedish, usually at the C1 level. Have a valid nursing degree and undergo a recognition process. Once approved, you'll get a Swedish nursing license. If you're from outside the EU, don't forget to secure a work permit with a Swedish employer. It's a journey of language, paperwork, and dedication. Number 2, how to immigrate to Sweden as a nurse. The process differs if you are from the EU or outside it. We break down the steps for both. Getting a license for nurses from EU or EEA member states. EU or EEA nurses with degrees from abroad looking to work in Sweden must have their degrees recognized by the Swedish National Board of Health and Welfare. The process includes proving your fluency in Swedish, Danish, or Norwegian, submitting your ID, degree, and language proof, and the application fee. You can apply online or by mail. The decision takes about 4 weeks, and if approved, you can work as a nurse in Sweden. If not, you have the option to appeal. Getting a license for nurses from non-EU or EEA countries. If you are a non-EU or EEA national or earn your nursing degree in a non-EU or EEA countries, you must follow a specific process to get a nursing license in Sweden. There are 2 different ways to apply for this license. Whichever method you choose, you must apply for the license after completing the steps. Way 1, apply directly to the Swedish National Board of Health and Welfare. To become a nurse in Sweden from outside the EU, you should apply for the Swedish National Board of Health and Welfare with essential documents, and while waiting, learn Swedish as it's necessary for the language test. Pass the language test, take a free course on Swedish healthcare laws, and complete a 3 months clinical training in a Swedish clinic or hospital. Once you have your training certificate, gather all required documents, pay the application fee, and submit your final application for a nursing license to the Swedish National Board of Health and Welfare. After receiving the license, you can begin your nursing career in Sweden. Way 2, apply for a nursing license after additional training. The second way to work as a nurse in Sweden involves additional training before applying for a license. Start by applying to a university that offers this training, such as these universities. Make sure to meet their requirements, including a Swedish language proficiency certificate. Once accepted, apply for a Swedish student visa and gather the necessary documents. After completing additional studies in Sweden, apply to the Sweden National Board of Health and Welfare, including an application form and other required documents. Mail it to the provided address. Once you receive your nursing license, you can work in Sweden, but you will need a work permit. Secure a job offer from a Swedish employer, and they will assist with the work permit application. Number 3, nurses' salaries in Sweden. Nurse salaries in Sweden vary widely, typically from 20,000 to 57,000 Swedish krona per month. Factors like education, experience, job type, and location influence these variations. More qualifications and experience often lead to higher pay, especially in major cities like Stockholm and Gothenburg. Number 4, best cities for immigrant nurses in Sweden. More nursing jobs are available in larger Swedish cities like these cities because of the higher number of healthcare facilities and medical tourism. Start your immigration process today and turn your dreams into reality. Follow these steps to success. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for essential updates, and click on the cheat sheet link in the description to download it. Your future in Sweden awaits. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.